Hi students, this is Jyoti Miss, your computer teacher. Children, we learned third lesson advanced features of MS Excel in last class. Okay, in this lesson we learned about sorting data, one column sorting and multiple sorting. Next, filtering data and custom filtering, conditional formatting. These all we learned in last class, children. Actually I have to keep video on Saturday, but due to some technical problems I am not able to keep this video on Saturday. I am keeping today, children, so please see this lesson and write notes. Okay, see this video. So in this third lesson we learned all these some extra features of advanced features of MS Excel we learned, children. Okay, now today I am giving notes, children. In 9th class so many students did not completed notes and not submitted on 25th, children. Please complete notes up to the third lesson and submit for correction in next section. Okay, now see in third lesson page number 36, answer time. I am giving third lesson notes. Answer time, children, page number 36. You see here, tick the correct option. Okay, so what is the first one? Which of the following features in Excel lets you arrange data in ascending or descending order? The answer is here, see, sorting. Answer is sorting. This is answer. Okay, next, which of the following statements does not hold true for filtering data in Excel? So which one is not true, means which one is false? Here 4 statements are given. In that which one is false we should say. The rows that do not meet the filter condition are hidden. This is true only, no? You can view only selective records using the filtering features. This also true only. Next, see, the rows that do not meet the filter condition are deleted. Children, here the records are not deleted, only these are hidden, children. These are hiding in back end. So these are not deleted. So this is the wrong. So this is the answer. Okay, you can specify more than one correction for a column when using filters. This is also correct statement. So that C is the wrong statement and this is the answer. Next, what type of data can Microsoft Excel sort? So text data, numeric data, alphanumeric data, all of these. So all types of data it will sort. So the answer is all of these. All of these is the answer. Next, see fourth blank, children. Fourth blank. That is, what does a down arrow next to column heading signify? Means what is this one? Filtering is applied, filtering is enabled, filtering is not applied, both A and B. So this down arrow will shows us filtering is already applied and filtering is enabled also. This is the answer. So both A and B is the answer. Next, how does the AZ sorting button, this one button sort data? So descending order, ascending order, both A and B, none of these. A to Z means here this is called alphabetical order, not ascending order, not descending order, and both A and B. None of this is called alphabetical order, children. Okay, so none of these is the answer. Next, see fill in the blanks. First one, dash lets you arrange given data according to particular field. Arrange data, sorting. Next, sort and filter group is present under the dash tab, data tab. You can filter a list to display records that meet specific criteria by using dash command, auto filter command. Next, you can create a dash filter to display the data that satisfy more than one condition for a column, custom filtering. Next, a drop down menu arrow means that filtering is dash but not dash. Means a drop down menu arrow means that filtering is enabled but not applied. Next, the conditional formatting command is the dash group of the dash tab, styles group of home tab. styles and home is the answers. Next see children, question and answers. What do you understand by sorting data? For this question children, answer. See page number 27. Page number 27. Sorting data is there, no side heading. From here onwards to this full paragraph. From Z to A or 9 to 0. Up to here. This is the first question answer. From sorting data to here children. Okay, this is the first question answer. Next see second question. Can you sort Excel data by more than one column? If so, using which command? So for this question answer, direct there is not children in textbook. So I am giving some changes for answer, like that you write. So on this is question. For this you have to write answer like this. Yes, we can add. Just before this, can you remove? Can you remove this one in answer, and you write yes, we can sort Excel data by more than one column by using add level command. Did you understand how to write answer? Yes, we can sort Excel data by more than one column by using add level command. That is the second question answer. Full answer is here only. In the place of can you write yes, we can, and write same sentence. After that you write by using add level command. Okay, so this is second question answer. Next see third question. How is sorting data different from filtering data? For this question children, see page number 36 in brief. Second point and third point is the answers. Answer. Second point, the sorting of data means arranging data in an ascending or descending order. The filter feature allows you to see only those records that you want to see, while it hides away the rest of the data temporarily from the view. So second and third points are the third question answer. Next see fourth question children. What is custom filtering? For this same children in brief, fourth point is the fourth question answer. See here, you can also create custom filter to display data that satisfies more than one condition for a column. This is the fourth point is the fourth question answer in brief. Okay. Next see fifth question. List the different ways to remove filter criteria. For this children, see page number 32. Page number 32. Here you see, to remove the filter, do one of the following. Is there no? From here onwards to these 2 points up to drop down menu. This is the fifth question answer. Next is the sixth question answer. Sixth question. Write the usefulness of conditional formatting in MS Excel. For these children, see page number 33. Conditional formatting, is there no side heading? From here onwards to sixth question. Conditional formatting from here onwards to this full paragraph. Styles group of the home tab up to here children. So this is the sixth question answer. Next see children, hearts. This you have to write your own. What is the procedure? Kabir is a chartered accountant. He looks after the accounts of various companies and keeps their records in MS Excel. So Kabir is a chartered accountant. He is saving different companies' records in MS Excel. A company, those data. B company, those data. C company, those data. Like that this person is saving in MS Excel. Is it okay? Next, he does not have any idea how to view only those records that he wants to see. So he does not know that particular records how he have to see. How he has to see, he don't know. Means which option we will use to see particular records and remaining records we have to hide. So which option we will use? Nothing but of filtering. Okay. Suggest to him the feature of MS Excel using which can perform this task. So which feature we will use here children? filtering option. If you use filtering option, so that particular records, which records we want, that only we will see on the screen. Remaining all records it will hides behind the screen. So which feature here we will use? Filtering or auto filter. Filtering we will write. Okay, auto filter. Next, here see children, lab work is given. Who are having computers at your home, you will try this lab work. Just I will explain once children. Okay, see lab work. A company has made, first one children, here two practicals are given. I am explaining first one. A company has maintains sales data in a worksheet as given below. So one company is maintaining data here. The manager needs to display the top 5 salesmen in terms of sales amount, rows with a blue background. Can you do the same task? So here some data is given: salesman number, salesman name, and quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4 total. So what here is asking children, which salesman had done highest sales, top 5 salesmen, that salesman's records must be that rows full. We should change the background color into blue color. So how you will do this? By using conditional formatting. Otherwise just you type this table children. After that you do sorting. By using this total you do sorting. Then you will give ascending order. Then descending order you give. Then highest one first will come. Second total. Third highest. Fourth highest. Fifth highest it will come. After that you select the cells and you give the background blue color. Otherwise you will give conditional formatting also. So which is the lowest number, that number you give as a condition. Here what is the lowest number? I think 1,51,000 is the lowest number. So you give the condition 1 lakh less than 1,51,000. Sorry, greater than or equal to 1,51,000 blue color. If you choose like that, these all will become blue color children. Okay, that is also you can do. You can do this practical in 2 process. If you understand, you try. Otherwise you leave after the school's opening, we will see. Okay, means if we get a computer class, then I will show in a computer lab. Okay children, already you are going to school I know, but time is not given for computers now. If computer class will get time, then I will show this practical. If you understand, you can do in your home who are having computers. Okay, next is the second practical children. The class teacher has stored marks obtained by the students in a worksheet. So here teacher stored some marks about these students, 10 12 members or 13 member students. 13 member students he stored here. So this table you have to type in your computer first. After that here some formatting effects are given in three formatting effects are given. We have to apply these formatting commands to this data. What are those? See, help her to these following tasks. Display marks greater than or equal to 75 in blue color. So first you have to select full data and go to conditional formatting. There you select greater than or equal to 75, select and select blue color. Then who got 75 marks or greater than 75, those cells will become blue color. Display marks greater than or equal to 60 but less than 75 in green color. So this also we can do by using conditional formatting children, like that only. Next, display marks less than 33 in red. So give the comment less than 33 red color. Here also first you give greater than or equal to 60 and next you give less than 75. First you give this one display greater than or equal to 60 but less than 75 green color. Means you can give 60 to 75 green color. You can give like that. Middle in between one option is there. Then you choose in between 60 to 75 you choose. Then select green color. Then who got 60 to 75 marks, those in green color it will come. Did you understand? Okay, no problem. Who will understand? Who understood this one? Those try at your home. otherwise leave. When you get computer class, then I will explain, children. Okay, if time got, I will show in I will make a video also for this if time is there. Okay, children, this is about the notes. Okay, how we will write notes, children? First keep heading for the lesson. After that write this multiple choice question and answers. Next write fill in the blanks. Next write question and answers. Enough, children, no need to write these all. You, if you are having time, you practice at your home, children. But please complete all of you your computer CWs in time. And for next session, for next correction time, you should submit, all of you submit your computer CW. Okay, up to 3 lessons. Okay, children, now I am closing this class. We will meet in next class, children. Till then, take care. Bye bye.